Amazon S3 versioning is a powerful feature that provides object version control. It helps protect your data and enables easy recovery when needed. Let's explore how versioning works and why it's essential for data management in S3. S3 versioning is a feature that keeps multiple variants of an object in the same bucket. When enabled, it allows you to preserve, retrieve, and restore every version of every object stored in your bucket. Think of it as a time machine for your files, where nothing is ever truly lost. Versioning provides 4 major benefits. First, it protects your data against accidental deletions and overwrites. Second, it enables easy recovery by allowing you to restore previous versions of objects instantly. Third, it creates an audit trail, letting you track changes and maintain a complete object history. Finally, it serves as a built-in backup strategy that helps meet compliance requirements. The versioning process follows 4 simple steps. First, you enable versioning on an S3 bucket. Second, each time you upload a file with the same name, S3 creates a new version with a unique identifier. Third, all previous versions remain accessible and retrievable whenever you need them. Fourth, when you delete an object, S3 creates a delete marker instead of permanently removing the file. An S3 bucket can be in one of 3 versioning states. Unversioned is the default state where no version control is applied. Enabled means versioning is active and all objects are being versioned. Suspended means versioning is paused, but all existing versions are retained and remain accessible. You can enable versioning using the AWS command line interface. The command is AWS S3 API put bucket versioning, followed by the bucket flag with your bucket name, and the versioning configuration flag set to status equals enabled. Once enabled, versioning cannot be fully disabled, only suspended. Each version of an object has a unique identifier assigned by S3. The format is a 32-character alphanumeric string. When you request an object without specifying a version ID, S3 retrieves the latest version by default. To access older versions, you simply specify the version ID in your request. When you delete an object in a version bucket, S3 doesn't permanently remove it. Instead, it adds a delete marker that acts as the current version of the object. This makes the object appear deleted, but all previous versions remain intact. You can restore the object at any time by simply removing the delete marker.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.